I'm missing a part of the suspension kit for a 63 Impala. It was right here yesterday.
Is this it?
No, that's the muffler.
I don't understand. Why don't you just get a new suspension?
Because it's an original from 1963. I can't just jump in a time machine and go back and get another one. Besides, black people don't like to travel back in time.
Hey, you don't think it was one of your employees, do you?
No, I trust my guys completely. Which is why I hid a bunch of cameras all around.
Why is the footage so grainy?
I don't know. These cameras were state-of-the-art when I bought them in '92.
Calvin, I was 11 in 1992. My Viewmaster had better resolution.